Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. First of all, we have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various information, but before, let's know what is System.io and how it works. So welcome first to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your businesses. Join our community and start turning your vision into reality today. So first we have here System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, and create online courses. Then if you scroll down also, you'll find here other things like course creators. We have here who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. We have here course creators, influencers, consultants, small business owners. Then if we scroll down, we have here how you can become an affiliate. So you have just to click over here, become an affiliate, and you will find this page. Over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. Join our affiliates program today, promote our offers, pull your leads into our funnels, and first earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or courses. Then we have other things which it is open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Then we have strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. Then we have anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So then you have here enter your email address. You have just to write your email address, then you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. Then if we scroll down, you'll have to hear how to get started as an affiliate. The first step, we have read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then the second step, read the info page about how System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. Then the fourth step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then if we scroll down, we have here System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online businesses. Build skills, funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. You have your System.io free plan, earn 60% lifetime requiring commissions. So if you come and become an affiliate, all you have to do is just write your personal information and you get started with this page. So the first thing we have here, upgrade. You have here your my plan, and we have here plan period. So we have the first package, which is free freemium. You don't have to pay anything and it's for free, and this is the characteristics. Then we have the second one, which is startup, and it's for $27 per month, and this is his characteristics. Then we have webinar, the third one packages. It's for $47 per month, and this is his characteristics. Then we have the last one. It's unlimited. You have to pay $97 per month, and it's unlimited here, and you can just choose the one you want and you get started with it. Then right now I will show you also payment gateways. Here you click coverage, and this is the options how you can get paid. We have a Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Page, and we have Molly, Flutter, Wayfo, LetterPay, Google Plus, Paystack, Change Secure Pay, Cash on Delivery also, and you can choose the one you want. And if you want to create a product, all you have to do is click over product and you choose between physical products, orders, coupon, courses, or community. For example, physical products, and you click over create, and then you write your name, your description. You have just to copy it on in ChatGPT, for example, or Perplexity, then you paste it here. SKU, product tax, currency also, price, weight, and we have inventory here, stock limit value, for example, and then we have shipping, media. You have just to download your photo on canva.com, for example, or other things. Then you upload it here. Then we have options. This product has options such as size or color. You have just to write your option name, option values, and then also you can add another option, and then you click over save. And this is how you can create your physical products. About courses, you have just to click over courses and you click over add new course, then you write your name, your domain, your URL path, and you choose the one you want here, for example this one, then you click over save. Then we have communities also. You can just click over create and you write your name, your domain name, your path, and you choose between enabled and disabled, and you click over save. Then we have here how you can create sales funnels. About this one, you can just click over create and then you write your name, your funnel domain, and you choose your funnel code. For example, with an audience, you have your sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, and we have currency. Then you click over save. So this is how it works with system and how you can create the product on it. So making money through a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system question. For instance, if you are looking at an online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise subscriptions. Based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate acquiring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you guys in the next video.